Hi everyone, this is Primrose and welcome back to my channel. And today I wanted to make an update of my um, Hoya plant. So it started to put out some buds 4 weeks ago, and it is beginning to look wild as it has put out a lot of new shoots and they are everywhere. And this is in our bedroom, and those two, so those two stems latch themselves into one another for support, I guess, but I'm letting them do their own thing. So this plant was I think purchased sometime in September of last year, and it has doubled in size since then. And I think the nursery people made a mistake when they rebought this plant, because I ordered for a Hoya carnosa, so it's got that green and cream color combination on its leaves, but when the leaves are still young, it's got that pink tinge to it. Really beautiful. And I noticed that I have a few stems in this planter with pure green leaves. You can see that, and I don't mind that at all. And so these green ones, it did not produce any peduncles yet. Hopefully soon. It looks very similar to a Hoya gracalis or Hoya publicalis. I'm not sure which one between the two. But what I wanted to show with you today is I got very excited upon waking up this morning, and I thought I could smell something that was very beautiful upon waking up, because this plant is right next to our bed. And the scent, it was a nice way to wake up to that beautiful scent. It was very subtle, especially in the early morning. It was not overpowering. So it's got pink flowers with a deep purple in color in the middle, and in all I counted, it's got 5 peduncles, and only the old peduncles produced buds, so that's an old peduncle, and you can surely see it's a lot bigger compared to the newest one. So this came out very recently, and it did not put out any buds, but hopefully next year, next flowering season. And yeah, I was turning this planter around because, as you can see, that's what one-sided sunlight can do to the plant that is being grown inside the house. Because I mainly grow all of my houseplants inside our home. We do not have a balcony, we do not have a backyard space, and look at it. So I have to turn that pot constantly, the planter. And this big Echeveria agavoides here with a very long flower spike. So I was turning it, and this peduncle got caught, and it scraped off some of the buds that were here. But everything is not lost. I still got 3 in there. And I have another peduncle over here with a full cluster of flowers that is yet to open, and I'm quite excited. Yeah. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.